Hey Larissa, how are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good, good. It's great talking to you today. One question. Can you describe me a little bit about the Wings custom presence in the American market?
Yes, of course. So we are working with international market, and more especially in the United States one, for around 4 years now. We already have a site built in. We have customers from all over the East and the West Coast. We already have a presence in the Harleys. We have a lot of partnership with the Harley Davidsons there. And we have a lot of customers that buy from us or a direct website. They call us too. And we are having really great business now in the United States, and we're expanding too.
What is the difference maker between Wings Custom and the other brands in the US market?
Okay, that's actually a great question. So what's the big difference is the exclusivity and the uniqueness of our product. We make a product that they don't do there. So they don't actually have 3-inch thick handlebars or engine guards. Right now in the world, there's like 2 other companies that can make handlebars, and no one do the engine guards or the sissy bars we do. No one does the handlebars 3-inch thick with the cables inside, so it really offers something different. The quality for us is something we must have, so it's not a differential, it's just a must. And they can see that. They find our products in Facebook, on the internet, and they just can't find it anywhere else. So that's why our customers go with Wings Custom, to have a unique product design just for them that can be altered for custom measurements with different pullbacks, tip to tips that can fit their bike, and they're just right.
Do you ship internationally to the US? And how does the customer service and all that stuff works when somebody's buying directly from you guys?
Okay, great question. So we ship directly to the United States or anywhere else in the world via FedEx. The shipping to the United States and Canada is free, so you don't have to worry about that. Customs and stuff to the United States, it's also all included. Just buy and it will get to you. Now, the customer service, we have a direct phone call number. They can call us, me and the other salesperson, Wesley. We have a web chat. They can send us a message all day, and if we don't answer right now, we're going to send back an email. We also have emails they can send us to, and WhatsApp numbers as well. We also have contacts with Harleys there, so the client can go directly to a Harley and ask their salesperson to contact Wings Custom to buy there.
How have American customers reacted to the Wings Custom products, and do you have any feedback that you like to share?
Yes, I do. So I have a lot of customers that are amazed by our products. They're like in shock of we having 2-inch handlebars. They're like, we never seen this before. Everywhere I go with my bike, everyone asks where did I get this from. And I have a special feedback of one of our customers that his photo is right here. This is the first handlebar 3-inch thick for a Road Glide 2024 we made, and it is with a Hawaiian customer. He sent us all of his measurements from Hawaii, and we did all his project here, sent it back to him. He confirmed. We sent the handlebar and it fit just right. He was amazed by it. He was the first one to get it in the island. Everyone, after he got the handlebars on, was calling us from Hawaii saying we need those bars right now. So yeah, it's very great.
What kind of customer support does Wings Custom offer for clients that need help choosing or installing their products?
So, for choosing the handlebars, there is the sales consultant person, that is me and Wesley. We can do, like I said, phone call, emails, we can even do meet videos with them to decide the right size of handlebars. We can send photos to decide the model of handlebar. We can also develop a handlebar with them as well if they need something different. And we offer this personalized consultation. And after that, after the customer orders the product and when it gets to them and they need help to install, we have a customer support that is exclusive for them that can help through email, through messages. And if they really find themselves in a complicated position, they cannot install it by any means, we can schedule a video call with our engineer so they can see what's going on and give a few tips on how to put everything together. We already done that in the past and it helped and everything went right. So there is no way that the handlebar are going to fit. We are going to help it, and if you have any problems, Natalie from customer service will find a way to solve it. If it's to send a new handlebar, if it's to send the handlebar back and fix it, we always solve the problem. So the customer doesn't have to worry. Once he orders, he will have the certainty that the handlebar or the sissy bar engine guard will be installed in his bike in the end of the day.
What are Wings Custom plans to continue expanding in the US, the American market?
Okay, that's also another great question. We have a few ways to expand there. Like I told you, we are working with Harleys now, with partnerships with garages, and we pretend to expand that to all the United States. So we're planning having a Harley or a garage in each state that has Wings Custom or that has contact with Wings Custom and can order directly from us. So any customer in the United States can have someone there, in-person support from Wings. And we also plan to go in more events there, like the Daytona Bike Week, that is be next year, and other events, so we can show our presence and talk with the customers, understand better what they want, what they need, and develop new products for them as well.
Larissa, how can interest customer contact Wings Custom to make a purchase, getting to know a little bit more about the product too?
Okay, so if a client is interested in us, they can go to our Instagram first or our Facebook. They can go to our website, and there are a few ways to contact us. They can send us a DM, a message on Facebook, or a chat on our website. They can call us directly on the number as well. We also have a contact form on the website. They can just type their message and we'll receive directly. And they also have the email contacts in the end of the website. They can also send us through. So a lot of ways to contact. Any of those will work.
It was great talking to you, Larissa. Thank you for sharing all this great information about Wings Custom. Always a pleasure.
Thank you, Guilherme.